Now, because I do ironing videos, a question I get asked all the time is, how do I iron without an iron? How do I iron without an ironing board? How do I iron when I'm traveling? Well, as luck would have it, I've been sent this product to review. This is the Jack & Rose garment steamer. It's effectively a travel iron steamer all in one, very compact. It's smaller than a hairdryer. The head moves laterally, so you can steam vertically as well. I'm going to show you today on a shirt hanging up. If you've got a table, I'm going to show you on a shirt on a table, and I'm also going to show steaming a suit, because a suit has just arrived for a client and it needs a steam before it gets tried on. So without further ado, now I should have done this before, but it takes 30 seconds for the unit to heat up. I'm going to do it in real time so you can see exactly how long it takes to heat up. As I say, it's 30 seconds. Then all you do is press the mode button to get it onto high heat, and then we're good to go. So I'm going to do half of the front panel of this shirt with it hanging up, and then I'm going to do half of a panel of a shirt on the desk, so you can see exactly what we're talking about. So mode, high heat, and it starts straight away. So with it hanging up, you just go from top to bottom. Hold on to the bottom edge of the shirt or the jacket or whatever garment you're doing. Now, people ask whether you should make contact with the garment. Absolutely, because it's got a sole plate that's designed for ironing, and it's quite heavy, so it's really good for to use as an iron. And I hope you can see the difference already between the unironed and the iron side. And if we just go down here to the table, just move you a little bit closer. I find the table version a lot easier because you're using the weight of the sole plate to actually do the ironing for you. And if you're in a hotel, most hotels will have at least a desk or something flat for you to use. So you should be able to use this method. But as I say, with just a couple of quick passes, that's your shirt ironed. Quite impressive. Bring the suit into shot. And again, you start from the shoulder, and that's going to get your steam all the way through the fibres of the suit. This can either be used to get the creases out of a suit or just to freshen up the suit. If you've worn it and you want to get any tobacco, perfume, aftershave sort of smells out of it, or just freshen it up. It's a much better solution than taking it to the dry cleaners every time you want to freshen your suit up. But it works on suits, shirts, trousers, dresses, curtains, soft furnishing, your cushions. You can freshen up your cushions with steam. Just turn that off. So not just for traveling, but for having around the house, for doing all the things that you can't iron. Anything that's got embroidery, that's got rhinestones or bits of jewellery stuck to it, anything that's been embellished, any garment that's been embellished with jewellery, absolutely perfect for that, because you can steam it without getting direct contact with the sole plate. If you were doing something like that with this more delicate, keep the iron away, keep the steamer away, and don't make direct contact with the surface. You're just using the steam itself rather than scraping the sole plate along it. But that's the only difference. As you can see, that's made a terrific job of the jacket and the shirt that we did first. If you have any questions about it, I mean, I'll put a link to it in the description. You can buy it on Amazon. It's now, normal retail price is about £60, and I think at the moment it's about 45, something like that. So it's a great thing to have, as I say, for travel or just to have around the house. Brilliant little gadget. Any questions, fire them into the comments and let me know. And until next time, take care. I'll see you very soon.